Here's a mac and cheese recipe with a twist, and I think it's a healthier version. If you want to see how to make it, keep watching. Sat Sri Akal, bonjour, privyet. Welcome back to my channel. Instead of the infamous mac and cheese, we're substituting paneer, which is Indian cheese, and adding veggies to this dish. So let's get started. Boil the macaroni elbows according to its package directions and drain when cooked. Heat the coconut oil and add in the ketchup and pepper sauce. Stir to combine both. Now add in all the veggies and paneer and stir to coat everything well. Cover and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the drained elbows and sprinkle salt and dried seasoning. Stir in a circular motion to incorporate all the ingredients. I made some separately for my nephew, so I left out the pepper sauce and added more ketchup and a little bit of grated cheddar cheese. If you have kids, you can leave out the pepper sauce. I packed up my lunch bowl and garnished with some slivered purple onions to take to work today. A different twist to mac and cheese, don't you think? If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos as I take you on my journey to living better and healthier than yesterday. Like and share and hit the bell icon to get notifications. Follow Chilling with H on Facebook and Instagram. Jab tak hum phir milenge. See you soon.